won't be asking for any money as a part of professional fees from our clients. All of us were quite relatively younger and naive, so we decided we won't be asking for any money as a part of professional fees from our clients till the time everything settles down. We did not know what we would be doing without asking for that money for ourselves, but at least we had one backup that we'll be sitting at home. At least even after doing nothing, we know we have some amount of reservations for ourselves. That was a very, very important step that we took, and that is when we realized the true importance, like we always often say, giver's gain. Because it created a hell lot of amount of trust in our minds, and those clients whom we communicated and told that we are not going to ask for anything until you and your business get settled, they are still with us right after 5 years.